Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is furtive. It is pronounced furtive and is spelled F-U-R-T-I-V-E. Think fur and then tiv. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exams this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Furtive is an adjective that means attempting to avoid notice or attention, typically because of guilt or a belief that discovery would lead to trouble. It is often used to describe actions or behaviors done in a sly or sneaky manner. For example, you could say, he cast a furtive glance over his shoulder to see if he was being followed. Or, the thief made a furtive attempt to steal the jewellery. The word furtive comes from the Latin word furtivus, which means stolen. In the classic novel, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, Tom and his friends often engage in furtive activities, like sneaking out at night or hiding their mischievous plans from adults. Synonyms for furtive include secretive, sneaky, sly, and clandestine. Antonyms for furtive include open, overt, public, or unconcealed. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, furtive. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.